I'm Matthew Phillips, Senior Director, Channels and Global System Integrators at LogMeIn, and I'm based out of Bangalore, India. I would like to start off my presentation with an interesting insight which I read in a Gartner blog recently, which talks about the way internet democratized the access to information to all. Remote work will democratize access to talent as the focus shifts to the quality of talent rather than the location of the talent, and would also enhance quality of customer reach due to localized services. Clearly, remote work is a game changer today. And I'm going to talk to you over the next 12 to 15 minutes about how LogMeIn can enable you and your customers to work remote or work from anywhere in a secure and frictionless manner. We are LogMeIn, the work from anywhere company, and we focus on three pillars of the business. One, we empower business continuity in the face of disruption, whether it is to keep your teams or your operations running, whether you are in office or you are out of office. And we know this business continuity and disruption has become a way of life in the last 7 months, right? A lot of businesses across the globe have got disrupted. So we have a role to play in enabling businesses to continue seamlessly. Second, we help you to embrace remote and flexible work, which obviously helps you to attract top talent, reduce overheads in terms of you can, when you work remote, you can reduce your real estate costs, you can reduce your travel costs, and also make for happier, safer, and more productive employees. Because when employees are working remote or working from home, they can spend more quality time at work or more quality time with their families and loved ones rather than on commute and wasting time traveling in traffic. Third, we help businesses to achieve their sustainability goal, to create better business impact by consolidation and get better cost savings through greater return of investments. And we do this through products which are secure, products which are flexible, which and scalable, which thousands and millions of users love and businesses trust. And what is LogMeIn? Let me give you a quick overview of our company history. We started off in the year 2003 as a remote access, remote support company. So we've been in existence for last 17 years. A lot of organizations, our customers are talking today about remote work, but we have been for the last 17 years unlocking the potential of the modern or remote workforce. Since 2003, we have helped millions of people and businesses to do their best work from anywhere. And over the last 17 years, we are now among the top 10 global SaaS companies with revenues of nearer to $1.4 billion, around 3,500 employees, and our services touch close to 190 countries. And being a SaaS platform, scalability is key. And our platform today has tens of millions of daily active users. And though we started off as a remote access, remote support company, today we have a broad portfolio of SaaS offerings which help you and your customers to work from anywhere. So let me talk to you about some data points which will tell you that the workplace revolution is here, right? And it is on us. And these research has been conducted by various leading global analysts and other organizations like Gartner, like HubSpot, Microsoft. So let me share some of these points with you. The first, 76% of global professionals want to continue working from home post-COVID-19. That's a huge population of the workforce, right? So as organizations or as partners, we need to prep up our customers and enterprises to be able to provide remote work or hybrid work to their employees and their customers. Second point, 77% of remote workers reported higher productivity levels when working from home. And that being the case, we need to ensure organizations are equipped with the up-to-date and the latest communication and collaboration tools so that they are able to equip their remote workers to connect with their customers, to their colleagues, and be able to do their best work from anywhere. Second, statistics which came out, 63% of the millennials start their customer service interaction online. And we know that a growing population of our employees and our customers today are millennials, which is the age group or people who were born after 1984. And with them playing a larger role as customers and employees, we need to enable organizations with the requisite set of tools like live chat, AI-powered chatbots, self-help tools, etc., so that organizations can get ready to meet the requirements of a digital first customer or employee. Third, statistics, which is today a large population of us are working from home or working remote, but even the post-pandemic, 74% of the CFOs plan to have 5% of their workforce permanently working remote, and 50% of the CFOs plan to have more than 10% of their remote workforce permanently working remote. And with that being the case, we need to enable organizations, empower their IT teams, their help desk teams to be able to support their customers and their employees across devices, across time zones. Fourth data point, which is to do with the very critical security part, 80% of all data breaches are caused by passwords. So it is time for us to equip organizations to be able to shift their focus from perimeter-based security to people-based security. And we need to enable them with tools which will help them to protect the identity of their anywhere workforce. So having said that, what does LogMeIn do? We have revolutionary solutions which will help you meet the changing workforce needs. So the first of our platforms is the Connect and Collaborate from Anywhere, which is our flagship go-to suite of products, which is a unified communication collaboration suite, which brings meeting, voice, video, rooms, and virtual event capabilities together in a modern cloud-based platform. And capabilities that will help you not only enable remote and flex work, but also help empower your sales, customer care, and marketing teams to reimagine the way they attract, engage, and serve their customers. You see some staggering numbers here. Today, we have close to 100 million meetings happening a year on our go-to platform. We have our own audio bridge where we have close to 20 billion audio minutes, which we are clocking on our own audio platform called Open Voice. The second portfolio of products which enable your customers to engage with their customers or their employees from anywhere. We have our AI-powered Bolt 360 digital engagement suite, which help companies to accelerate their digital engagement journey and giving new ways for customers to engage with your business, whether it is your AI-powered chatbot or live chat or various other omni-channel support areas like smart FAQs, mobile apps, or web apps. Right? And you see 1 billion customer interactions already happen on our Bolt 360 platform across a host of global customers we have. Third part is you are able to support and your employees and customers from anywhere through our renowned remote access and remote support solutions like LogMeIn Pro, GoToMyPC, LogMeIn Central, Rescue, GoToAssist that give IT teams the ability to not just access, but manage and support the devices and apps which are used by the teams which are increasingly becoming remote and mobile. And not just for your employees, but for their customers too. And a fourth pillar is our identity as a service or identity management pillar, which is under the LastPass platform, which is a combination of a password management solution, plus a single sign-on, plus a multi-factor authentication solution. Though the number here says that we have 20 million users worldwide, it's a slightly older data point. We recently celebrated our crossing 25 million users for LastPass globally. And all our products are built on a DNA of modern, super simple user experience, quick to deploy, so that as customers, as partners, you are able to get quicker return on investment. And all this without compromising on the security and control that the IT demands. Right? And I have a slide on the security aspect because this is very important in today's times. So I will dwell a little more in the subsequent slide. You see here a lot of names, a lot of brands which you people would be aware of, companies of every size, trust LogMeIn. And you will see retail customers, you would see large technology names, you would see large banking and financial services, telecom, large system integrators, a host of them using our work from anywhere portfolio products, right, which help them to engage better with their employees, engage better with their customers in a secure, frictionless, and simple manner. So coming to what the analysts are talking about us, right? I talked to you about what our product portfolio has been doing, but see what the analysts talk about us, whether with Gartner we being a part of the leadership quadrant when it comes to meeting solutions, whether our unified communication as a service portfolio being part of the challenger quadrant in Gartner, best password management software from multiple rating organizations, top rated remote software by TrustRadius, top rated identity management solution by TrustRadius, best customer service and CRM product, and various other analyst recognition, which should give you as partners confidence to take LogMeIn offerings to your customers. And like I told you, I'm going to spend a little time more on the security part, right? So like every other software and product OEM, security is of utmost importance to us, starting off with a dedicated CISO and a global security team, which we have, a 24/7 computer security incident response, as well as threat intelligence team. And we have full coverage of all this across our product portfolio and multiple leading third-party security, compliance, and private certifications, whether it is from Trust, GDPR, SOC 2, SOC 3. And you can find all of this on our LogMeIn Trust and Privacy Center, which you can visit logmeininc.com/trust for more information. Now, I told you about why customers should be using LogMeIn products, right? But as partners, why partner with LogMeIn? And that would be of key interest to a lot of you partners on this webinar today. One, we've been, like I told you, enabling remote work for the last 17 years. So we understand the remote work philosophy. We understand what remote work means. We have more than 2 million happy customers today. So a huge lot of references. You can visit the LogMeIn website for the references and case studies for various product portfolio of ours. Very popular products. So when you talk to your customers, they would have heard about GoToMeeting, right? They would have heard about Rescue, which is a remote support tool, LastPass, which is our password vaulting solution. You have an opportunity to land and expand because of the broad product portfolio we have. You go into your customer, selling to them, to the CIO organization, a remote support tool or a meeting tool. But when you land there, you also can go to the CMO there and talk to them about a GoToWebinar, which they can use to talk from 1 to thousands. Or you can go meet the CISO and talk to them about our identity management solution. Or you could meet up with the digital team to talk about how they can better engage with their employees and their customers with Bolt 360, our digital engagement platform. Right? So an opportunity for you as partners to expand within your customers. Dedicated onboarding and 24/7 support we have. So when you have customers at various parts of the world, we have a global support and a 24/7 support available for you, and an onboarding team which helps you to get your customers onboarded on LogMeIn products so that they are able to deploy it quickly and get faster ROI. We have multiple partnership models with us, which you partners can avail of. And obviously Ingram Micro is our global distributor, so you could reach out to them for anything you want to know more about LogMeIn products. And as partners, which is key, you have a potential to earn as you add more and more value to your customers. LogMeIn offerings being SaaS offerings, subscription-based offerings, you get a chance to go back to the customer every year, renew a subscription, add value, and have potential to earn. And with that, I would like to say thank you all for being here, giving me this opportunity to talk to you about our product portfolio. Please feel free to reach out to Ingram Micro, your local Ingram Micro branches, or to LogMeIn teams for knowing more about our products. And thank you once again to Ingram Micro for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, folks.